Hello everyone, welcome back to our KCET Max Revision Marathon. Our third question is from set theory. Our previous two questions were also from set theory of the same type. This is of different type. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then number of subsets of A which contains at least two elements is. So number of subsets are given. We are supposed to find out which is the correct answer. This was asked in the year 2020. Okay. Now we know the total number of subsets that can be formed is the power set. Okay. So power set has the total number of subsets which is equal to 2 power n. Here n is 6. N is total number of elements in a set and n is 6. So 2 power n is 2 power 6 which is 64. Okay. Now the question is this 64 is total number of possible subsets which includes an empty set, a set with single elements and then sets with two elements, three elements like that. So the power set includes one null set, and then we should consider subsets with single elements, and then we should consider subsets with two elements, and then we will take subsets with three elements. So all such subsets totally we can form 64 subsets. Now the question is at least two elements, right? How many sets will contain at least two elements? So simple, there is one empty set and there are six numbers, so there will be six subsets of single elements. So one empty set, and you will have six sets with single element, okay, with one element, and all other subsets will have at least two elements, right? There will be some subsets with two elements, some with three, and up to six elements we can write. So there will be one empty set and six sets with a single element. So totally there will be seven sets that are that do not have a minimum of two elements, that will have less than two elements. So from this 64 you subtract 7, which gives you 57. So this many subsets we have which has at least two elements from the given subset. So remember, power set is an important topic. Power set is 2 power n, where n is the number of elements in the set, and this includes an empty set, all the sets with single elements, all the sets with double elements, all the sets with three elements. Like that we are going to write totally such subsets are 64 in this case, and there are seven elements with seven subsets with less than two elements. So subtracting that 7, we get 57, which has at least two elements. So subscribe to our channel for daily notifications, and there is a link in the video description. Click on that link and to join our WhatsApp group and to get all the notes and updates of KCET exam. And if you are comfortable with English, then fine. If you want me to explain in Kannada, please put it in the comment section that you need an explanation of Kannada and English mix. Kindly mention that. Also in the comment section, mention what topic you want me to focus on, so I will focus on that topic. See you in the next video. Bye bye.